This video is not sponsored by anyone. I have purchased this item with my own money. So, in the past couple of years I have purchased a lot of a rechargeable battery and needed to store them in a safe place. And this DIY box is the perfect storage container, Scatola Porta minuteria, also known as small parts box, to store all the battery. This box has good hinges which will last a very long time. In this box you can keep 18 AA battery or 27 AAA battery with separate compartment box to keep the battery separate. Not only battery but also it is good for USB drives and other small thing. Help my channel by doing the followings. It will helpful for this channel to upload regularly. If you like my gameplay, give a like, subscribe and don't forget hit the bell icon. If you don't like my content, give a dislike, please do tell me why.